replace your General Electric refrigerator's internal XWFE genuine water filter. For step one, you guys are going to want to locate your main water supply to the refrigerator. Mine's located right here behind it. Some are located underneath the sink. Then you're going to want to turn the valve clockwise until it comes to a gentle stop. Step two, using some type of container or a cup, be sure to drain all the excess water out of the machine prior to removing the filter. All right, located on the top shelf, you're just going to reach in and you're going to grab it by its base. You're going to twist clockwise, which will let it release itself out. It's going to have water in it, so you don't want to tip it over. Going the same exact way you just pulled the old one out, you're going to put the new one in with the arrow facing up, and then you're going to turn it counterclockwise to make it seat itself into place. Make sure it's snug and it can't come back down. You can tell when you pull on it. All right, for your final step, step number 4, you're just going to turn this counterclockwise until the water pressure equalizes, checking for leaks since you touched it. You do not want this to leak. If it leaks, it causes a lot of problems later on, so make sure you don't have any leaks by doing a 5-minute drip down test. You're also going to want to make sure that you replace your AQUA CREST filter on the outside of the refrigerator. GE recommends every 6 months that you replace the internal refrigerator filter, which is an expensive filter, don't get me wrong, and I understand if you guys go a lot longer than that, but you should always have an external filter, and this one's cheaper, a lot cheaper on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, as well as a link to the video, but this one recommends that you replace it every 5 years. Me personally, in a house we live in, we're going to replace it every year, but since this is a vacation rental, we could go about every 3 years on this type of water and have no problems. So if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.